All right, guys, so one of the most common questions I get as a jiu-jitsu instructor is how many times a week should I be training? The general answer that I give for new people is twice a week, okay? The reason I say twice a week is that is enough for you to get introduced to the new sport, the new martial art, and it's enough for you to get the full benefits of the program, and it's not too much that you are going to get injured, just be excessively sore and tired, and we want jiu-jitsu to improve your life. We don't want it to take away from your quality of life. So that's the general answer that I give, but really, the real specific answer is, well, it depends. Because obviously there's a big difference between somebody that, hasn't done hardly any physical activity for several years versus somebody that is in really good shape and they work out all the time and so on and so forth. What happens is we have people that are really physically fit already. They feel like they just want to go hard charging. When you first get into jiu-jitsu, it's kind of addictive, like it totally is. So we have to watch out for overtraining just as much as we have to watch out for not training enough. So we want to train enough that we're getting the full benefits of the program and we're learning and progressing and moving forward, but we don't want to train so much that we are overtrained. So I say that when you're first starting out rather, start off at twice a week and then maybe add an open mat. So if you're training at a school that offers, a weekly open mat or has a couple open mats a week, start doing your 2 classes, whatever they are, and then also start showing up to open mat. That's a great opportunity to get a bunch of rolls in. There's usually going to be some advanced belts there. It's not an organized class. We just meet up so that we can train. And so you can ask questions. You can, kind of troubleshoot some issues that you might be having during your rolling time, all that. So then, start off at twice a week. Then you can work your way up to 3 times a week or 2 classes per week plus an open mat every week. And then you might be able to increase and do 3 classes a week and still do an open mat, so on and so forth. And I legitimately do have several athletes, quite a few athletes at my school that they might train, 2 times per day, a couple days a week, and another class and an open mat, but they've worked their way up into that over a long period of time. And so we just want to always look to maintain balance with our training life. We don't want it to take away from our personal responsibilities with our family and stuff like that, and we don't want it to harm our body. We want it to help our body. Us getting more physically fit and active is obviously one of the primary benefits of training jiu-jitsu, so that's a really big deal. So in summary, twice a week, that's my general answer. The real specific answer is it depends. It depends on a lot of factors, but you should always just make a habit of listening to your body, right? We want to toughen up. That's part of jiu-jitsu. So, you're going to have to train through some soreness, right? If you're going to do jiu-jitsu, especially if you're like, over 30, that's definitely going to happen. But if you're overtrained, there's a difference between, my muscle is sore versus my muscle is actually strained or, borderline injured, something like that. You're gonna have to listen to your body. So sometimes you gotta tough it out. Sometimes you gotta listen to your body and just take a rest day and make sure that you're taking care of yourself. If you're a jiu-jitsu athlete, if you wanna become a jiu-jitsu athlete, if you want to grow as a jiu-jitsu athlete or just a jiu-jitsu practitioner, just somebody that does jiu-jitsu, then you should be staying adequately hydrated. You should be sleeping enough every night if possible. You should be eating clean food, all of the normal stuff that that you're supposed to do in order to take care of your body, especially if you're looking to increase the frequency that you're training, right? So there you have it.